Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to edit and optimize H1 tags on Squarespace. This is essential for making your website's main headings stand out and improving your site's overall structure and readability. Let's jump right into it. First, open your browser and navigate to squarespace.com. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. This will take you to your main dashboard where you can see all your websites and projects. On the dashboard, simply click on the website where you want to edit and optimize your H1 tags. This opens up the workspace for that particular site, giving you access to all the customization tools you need. Now on the left side menu, click on Website. Under this option, you'll see several choices, but for now, click on Pages. This section displays all the pages that make up your website, allowing you to manage and modify their content. Next, click the Edit button. This takes you into the visual editor where you can see your page layout in real time and make changes as needed. Locate the H1 text that you want to modify on your page and click on it. Once selected, you'll notice a pencil icon appears. Click on this pencil icon to access the text editing options. Here, you can adjust the text format in various ways. You can make it bold or italic, change the text color, and apply other basic formatting options to make your heading more visually appealing and aligned with your brand style. Now let's take things a step further by adding some custom code. This gives you much more control over the appearance of your H1 tags across your entire site. Click Save to preserve the changes you've made so far, then click Exit to leave the page editor. Back on the left side menu, click on Custom Code. Under this section, click on Custom CSS. This is where you can apply site-wide styling rules that affect all elements of a certain type. In the Custom CSS field, type H1 followed by curly brackets. Inside those curly brackets, you can input custom CSS properties to control how all your H1 tags appear. For example, you can define font size to make your headings larger or smaller, add color to change the font color to match your branding, and even specify font family to use a particular typeface that complements your design. Because your code targets H1, any text formatted as heading 1 throughout your site will automatically reflect these changes, giving you consistent styling across all pages. And that's it. You've successfully edited and optimized your H1 tags in Squarespace, both through the visual editor and with custom CSS. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.